This is the Ultrahuman Rare Smart Ring. And the thing that makes it different to all the other smart rings on the market are the precious metals that they're made from. These two here are both made from gold bullion, and this one is made from platinum. Now, most smart rings that we've seen aren't made from these kind of precious materials, but Ultrahuman says that it decided it needed to make luxury smart rings because some of its customers had been coming to the company and saying that they'd been thinking about proposing with a smart ring, or that they wanted some kind of jewelry to gift that was a bit higher end. You open up the side panels and then you open up the top like this, and the ring sits in the middle. Underneath are all the kind of charging accessories that you might expect, but this is quite an extravagant box for a very small piece of technology. As a result, these rings are going to be a lot more expensive than the current smart rings that we see. Smart rings like the Samsung ring, the Oura ring, and even Ultrahuman's existing smart ring. So these smart rings are only going to be available in 2 very high-end department stores in Europe initially. One of them is in London and one of them is in Paris. They're also going to cost quite a lot more than you might expect a smart ring to cost. They start around $1,800 and go up to around $2,250. Now, Ultrahuman are also thinking about bringing these rings to department stores in other countries, and one of the locations that they have earmarked so far is New York. So you'll just have to stay tuned and subscribe to CNET to find out when that happens.